Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming access. Know your Google account password and have backup codes or recovery phone ready. Sign in on a secure device. This reduces lockout risk. Once signed in, navigate directly to security, then two-step verification. I say go now because if you lose access mid-process, you may permanently block yourself. Make sure to pause other sessions and close unused tabs. This streamlines the next steps and ensures you can remove a device safely without triggering extra verifications. Once on the two-step verification page, find the section that lists your devices, backup methods, or authenticator apps. You'll see entries named by device or app. Identify the one to remove. Click the Remove or Trash icon. Google will prompt for your account password or a verification code to confirm. Enter the requested verification to prove it's you. Remember, removing a device disables that method immediately, so have another verification method ready to avoid being locked out. After removal, review the remaining two-step methods and test one to confirm they function. This prevents surprises. If the device still appears, go to Devices and Activity and sign out of that device, then repeat removal steps. If anything goes wrong and you are locked out, immediately use backup codes or the account recovery flow. Provide recent account activity and recovery info. If recovery fails, wait the required period and prepare proof of ownership to regain access. This protects your...
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.